Embracing your origins, understanding, remember your roots. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very meaningful phrase, remember your roots. This expression is rich in cultural and personal significance, and understanding it can add depth to your English conversations. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it effectively. At its core, remember your roots is a call to acknowledge and respect where you come from. This can refer to your family background, your hometown, or even the culture that has shaped your identity. It's a reminder that no matter how far you go in life or how successful you become, you should never forget the foundation that helped you grow. Key points. It's about appreciation for your heritage and background. This phrase encourages self-awareness and gratitude for your origins. It can be a source of strength and inspiration. Understanding this phrase is not just about learning English, it's about connecting with others on a deeper level. Remembering your roots helps you stay grounded and maintain a sense of identity among the global community. It's a universal concept that resonates with people all over the world, making it a powerful phrase in both personal and professional contexts. Key points. It fosters cultural awareness and sensitivity, helps in building stronger, more meaningful relationships, encourages respect for diversity and different backgrounds. Let's look at some practical examples to understand how this phrase can be used in conversation. 1. In motivational speeches, as we chase our dreams, let's not forget to remember our roots, for they are the source of our strength. 2. In personal reflection, taking time to remember your roots can provide clarity and direction in times of uncertainty. 3. In cultural discussions, embracing modernity is crucial, but so is remembering our roots to preserve our unique cultural identities. Key points. The phrase can be inspirational or reflective. It's applicable in various contexts, including personal growth, cultural appreciation, and even in professional environments. Remember your roots is more than just a phrase. It's a philosophy that emphasizes the importance of acknowledging and valuing where we come from. We hope this video has helped you understand its depth and how it can be applied in everyday English. Whether you're engaging in deep conversations or simply reflecting on your own journey, remembering your roots can enrich your understanding of yourself and the world around you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful complexity of the English language.